Today's meeting centered around one major item, which is the nomination and selection of candidate for the Rajya Sabha seat from the state of Meghalaya. So the resolutions adopted are as follows. Number one, the PP leaders, parliamentary party leaders, representing all constituents of the MDA-2 were briefed about the election scheduled to the Rajya Sabha for the state of Meghalaya on June 18, 2026, and the views of the NPP on the matter by both the national and the state president of the NPP. 2. In the course of the discussions, members from the constituent units expressed their various points and indicated their willingness to have their party nominees selected and endorsed as official candidate of the MDA-2. 3. However, since the various parties had proposed various names of individuals belonging to the respective political parties, and there being no point of consensus on a single name, it was decided to follow the established convention of endorsing the proposal put forward by the largest constituent, that is the NPP, in order to ensure cohesion and unanimity on the basis of established parliamentary practice. 3. The meeting therefore unanimously endorsed the NPP's proposal for the candidature of Shri James P.K. Sangma as Rajya Sabha nominee representing the MDA-2. 5. However, respecting the wish of the various constituent members of the MDA to allow the various parties to take their own call as far as by-elections to the Shillong parliamentary constituency is concerned, it was unanimously agreed that the parties are free to contest / support / stay neutral / stay away from the above by-election.
The nomination filing will be on the 5th of this month, and at 2:30.